If you run a commercial roofing or contracting company, you're probably leaving 6 figures on the table every year. Not because of your work, but because your video strategy isn't built to sell.
I'm not talking about social clips or pretty reels. I'm talking about the types of videos that helps your team save time, build credibility instantly, and close million-dollar projects faster without having to hire an in-house team.
Take Two Brothers Roofing in San Antonio. Before we started working together, Ruben was paying an in-house videographer thousands of dollars a month. We built them a system of high-value videos, and it changed everything.
My name is Ruben Cardenas. I'm the owner of Two Brothers Roofing, and Daryl's been helping us out here do some video marketing. You've been helping us out, coming out to the job sites and really tailoring the videos to us specifically. You bring us content to think about, or like to think like questions for us to answer, and it really engages us with our prospective customers. You providing that to us helps a lot. Yeah, so actually I had a customer the other day. It was great because she went up to my website, she looked at some videos that we had posted, and she said, I went in, I asked her, said, so what questions do you have about this? And it was in particular, it was an insurance process. She goes, I don't have any questions. Your videos were so helpful and it answered all my questions. So I just need to know how you want to proceed from here. And it made my job so easy.
Then there's SHOESTRING companies. We help them capture $1 million project, not for vanity, but to strengthen their client relationships and showcase partnerships.
What was the experience working with my team and I overall for you on a personal note?
Oh, 10 out of 10. I mean, you couldn't ask for a better partnership when choosing someone to help you do a film or media project. Easy to work with, flexible, ready to accommodate moving schedules, especially when you do construction. There's lots of moving pieces as to why things can change, and you were able to help facilitate that and be present for us and accommodate those needs. We're really excited to have this project in beautiful Huntsville, Texas. We wanted to showcase this as a testimonial, but also a gift to our partnership with our client. And everything went incredibly amazing and smooth, not only just from the production team, taking care of the community that we're servicing here, but also from our filming perspective and capturing this special moment between us and our client.
Most companies make the mistake of chasing social content. It burns time, burns budget, and rarely moves the needle. You don't need more posts. You need a system that works while you're busy running your business.
My team and I help roofing and building contractors build a revenue video system I like to call the SOS method. It's a set of high-impact videos that save time, build trust, and drive measurable ROI.
Every video has a purpose. Each one saves time, makes money, or builds authority. That's how we measure success. Imagine your team finishing a bid walkthrough, and by the time you call the general contractor back, they've already watched your videos, trust your brand, and just say, how soon can you start? That's what happens when your videos do the talking for you.
Now, if you're ready to stop guessing and start using video as a sales multiplier, you can call, text, or email me to schedule a quick qualifying call to see if there's any way my team and I can help you out. See, on the call, I will show you a way how we can use a customized video system just for your company that will mirror what we did for both Two Brothers and SHOESTRING, but we'll build it around your brand and your goals. Now, if you made it this far, first off, thank you. Making it this far tells me you're not just looking for video, you're looking for a way to make your sales process easier and your brand stronger. Let's do what we can to make that happen.
Your work already speaks for itself. Let's make sure your videos do too.